Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will take a detailed look at the AuthVaultix Seller Bot. To use the bot, your account must have an active seller subscription. If you don't have a seller plan, you can use a demo account for testing. First, let's set up the bot. Open Discord and type the setsellerkey command. Then copy your seller API key from the AuthVaultix dashboard and paste it here. The bot will verify your key, and now you are ready to manage your applications directly through Discord. If you have multiple applications, you can use the switchapp command to select and manage any application without opening the dashboard. Now let's create a new user. Run the createuser command and enter the username, password, expiry time and subscription details. Then execute the command. The bot will confirm that the user has been successfully created. Now let's open the application and test the newly created user. Enter the username and password, then click the login button. The login will be completed successfully. Next, let's open the AuthVaultix dashboard and check the users section. Here, you can see the user that we created through the Discord seller bot. If you want to delete a user, simply use the deluser command. Enter the username and run the command. The user will be deleted instantly. With the AuthVaultix Seller Bot, you can manage your applications and users directly through Discord commands without opening the dashboard. The bot also includes many other useful commands and features. For more information, visit authvaultix.com. Thanks for watching.